samples. And we just put them in a red dye 40, so it's so just Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid with red dye 40, right? So put about 3.5 squirts of those in there. So it's replicating that test that we're talking about that's in your literature. Talk about the 20 times stain test. So this is a piece. This is a blue carpet from Flagship for child. This is Lakeshore. You guys know who Lakeshore is, right? Compete against them. So this is ours. So in the catalog where you see ovals, we cut this out, so that's where that material comes from. That's from the cutout. And then this is another piece of Flagship. And also another piece of... So this is sat here since what time did we do this, Joy?
Probably 10.
Probably 10 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and spray out the dye as best as I can.
Spray it that way so it doesn't get on the on the booth.
So here you go. So this is the Childcraft one here.
High tech, Jeff.
Yeah. This is Lakeshore. So this is what this piece looked like before. So you can see that had yellow in it, and that is now stained with red. So what happens, because there's no dye chemistry on it, like we talked about our chemistry, when our carpets go through the stain blocker technology, it goes through, it basically has a dye bath. So 100% of this is encapsulated with the stain blocker, right? So that's the difference there. So then maybe we get to our piece, which started out as white. So that's been there since 10 o'clock.
No way.
Yeah. Yes way! That's crazy. But wait, there's more. So that's what stain blocker technology does in a real practical perspective. So you think about a lot of the carpets we'll get back on returns and stuff that are really dirty. They can be cleaned. And just simple hot water extractions. You don't need any kind of chemicals or anything like that. So that's what makes our stain blocker technology so different. That's cool. Does that make sense? That helps visualize it better?
Do you want to hold up the other pieces?
Yeah.
Just so you can see.
So that was this, that was this, and then it actually fell into the stain. This was white, but it actually just got stained falling in the stain. And then this was the piece that's also stained red as well too. So yeah, that's cool. Does that help clarify?